Today we're going to be reading the book Rocks, Soil, and Fossils in Georgia. Our title page tells us that Rocks, Soil, and Fossil in Georgia is the title, and it's over the standard S3 E1 for 3rd grade to obtain, evaluate, and communicate information about the physical attributes of rocks and soil. Our learning target is going to be I can explain the physical attributes of rocks and how they are broken down into soil. Rocks are broken down into smaller pieces and mixed with organic material by wind and water, forming soil and new landscapes. And here we have a picture that's going to show us the weathering, erosion, and sedimentary rocks. We can see the organic surface up top. Then we have the subsoil, the substratum, and then the bedrock at the bottom. Some key vocabulary words that we're going to look out for is igneous, which is formed from cooling of magma rock, metamorphic, which is formed when rocks are altered by heat, pressure, or chemical reactions. Sedimentary are formed when sediments of broken down rock, minerals, or organic matter form a rock. Fossils, preserved remains of ancient organisms older than 10,000 years. The Mohs scale is a hardness scale for minerals ranging from 1 being the softest to 10 being the hardest. Physical attributes, which include the color, texture, hardness, and luster. There are 3 types of rocks. They are igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Rocks break down through weather and erosion. Weathering is the physical or chemical breakdown of rocks that is caused by wind, water, and temperature. Erosion is the process of removing and transporting these broken down materials. And then it showed us a picture where we can see the grass and then where it's being broken down to and the water's flowing. The rock cycle. Rocks are made from magma. Magma is a big melted rock deep inside Earth. When it cools and hardens, it becomes igneous rock. Remember that vocabulary word? Rocks break down over time by wind, rain, plants, and even animals. They are now in smaller pieces that you can see, like sand and dirt. This is called sediments. When sediments get pressed together, they form sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks that get deep into Earth's surface get hot and pressurized, forming metamorphic rock. And here's a picture of the rock cycle. You can see the igneous rock and some erosion that forms sediment, and then it's compacted together in the sedimentary rock. It goes through heat and pressure, forming metamorphic rock. Some more heating, it turns back into magma. And then it cools and turns back into igneous rock. Soils found in Georgia include red clay, sandy soils, and loamy soils. They are found in different regions of the state. Piedmont region is known for its red clay. The coastal plain is known for sandy soils and is separated by the fall line, which is an old ancient coastline in Georgia. Loamy soils are a mix of sand, silt, and clay that is fertile and can easily drain. It's also good for holding water. Who has ever touched a shark's tooth? Have you ever seen a real-life fossil? Shark teeth are fossils. Shark teeth are made of enamel and are resistant to wearing. This makes them easy to preserve. Shark teeth go through a process called permineralization, that is where minerals will replace the organic material and causes a hardened, mineralized tooth. And you can see that a shark tooth, a fossil shark tooth, isn't white like it would be if it was in its mouth still. It's turned brown. And dinosaur fossils have also been found in Georgia. Now we know all about rocks, soil, and fossil. Do we have any questions? Over our book. Think about any questions that you might have, and we can refer back to our book to answer any. Thank you for listening to me read you a book, and I hope you enjoyed it.